Hey, I'm in zone 8B, and today I would like to talk about sweet potato. In my area, there are several types of sweet potato that are available to grow. And what you do is you grab you the sweet potato of your choice, you develop a support system, get you a container with some water, stick it in there like so to generate roots. Once the roots are formed, it should look something like this, and you'll get slips on top that you will break off, and then put it into a container like so with water to generate roots. See that? And then you can plant them. Now, like I said, there are several types of sweet potatoes in my area. Let's start out with the Okinawa. This Okinawa potato, I did the same thing. It generated roots and slip. This potato, when you peel it, it's like white and purple on the inside. And when you boil it, it is real purple and sweet, like an earthy taste to it. Very delicious. In the store, you can find it at the Asian market. It costs like $2.89 a pound, and this is almost a pound. So if you want to feed a large family, a pound is not enough for you. You're going to spend like $6, $7, even $8 just to buy you several of these potatoes to make a sweet dish or any dish of your choice, like what you use the sweet yam to make. You could do the same thing with this. This potato have a lot of nutrients in it. It's good for brain health. It also have magnesium in there, potassium, iron, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, and some fiber. That's right. This little potato you see in here. And the next potato that I also have available, this is a Japanese potato. I have a little slip in the water with it, trying to get root, but I did the same thing. Stick it in there. You see how small this is? This little bad boy here was expensive as well, so I had to buy a small one, but because I'm growing it, I don't care. I just buy enough for me to grow, and that is the season. See, it's red. It's really like a dark red type of potato, and when you boil it, it is pale yellow. Oh my God. And it tastes like chestnut, very nutty taste, and it is also sweet. Yes, this is a Japanese potato. These two are, this is Japan too. It's called the Okinawa, but it is from Japan. But both of them, same type of nutrients. And these potatoes, when you grow them, you could store them for up to a year. They don't go bad quick. That's how good these are. And of course, we got to talk about the American sweet potato. This is the American sweet potato. It just started to develop roots. It didn't kick out anything as yet. So I'm praying that it's not I'm praying that it is organic, you know, because sometimes if it's not that much of an organic, you ain't gonna get nothing that quickly, like how I got from these potatoes, you know. But just in case you're wondering how to grow potatoes, yeah, potatoes grow just like this, okay? They are grown from slips. Now, once you cut the slips off, don't forget to put it in a container with some water to get you some roots from it. And once the root is formed, you take it out to wherever you want to plant it, and it is going to run. It needs room to run. It needs earth to run, because every time it runs, it creates more root, and in that root area is where they're gonna produce potatoes. So if you don't have a lot of land space to have the potato running, forget about it. Sweet potato. And the leaves of the sweet potato are also edible, so you won't go wrong. You know, if you want to try to grow it in a bag, I guess you could use a potato grow bag, but I don't know how much of sweet potatoes you will get. That's the honest truth. But yeah, happy growing out there. And if you love sweet potato like I do, go for it.